Bedtime Stories. Jimmy the Giraffe. In the land of Acacia, there lived a tall and handsome giraffe called Jimmy with other animals, known for his pride and mischief. He laughed at Jumbo, the elephant, which was rude, and troubled Robbie, the rabbit, which was cruel.
Hey, Jumbo the fatty long nose and petty little Robbie.
One morning, a hunter intends to catch Jimmy and lays a trap. Jimmy gets caught, but Robbie and Jumbo together pull him out from the trap. Jimmy finally learns his lesson and understands pride does not make him kind and helpful.
I am sorry, my friend, being tall and handsome does not make me kind and helpful.
Few questions to engage your child. What is acacia and where is it found? Do you think Robbie and Jumbo did the right thing by helping Jimmy even if he was cruel to them? Discuss. Imagine you have a friend like Jimmy. What would you do? What is more important, being kind and helpful, or being tall and handsome? For more bedtime stories, subscribe to our channel.